right, so you're ready to begin your video ministry, and you've got one small problem. You're nervous, and your hands get sweaty, and you don't know what to do when you look in the camera. Hey, I'm Teresa Croft. I help pastors, ministers, evangelists, musicians, authors, and entrepreneurs. I help them harness the power of the internet for preaching, promotion, and profits. In this video, I want to help you be able to speak into the camera without getting so nervous. I know many of you, you're ready. You know God's called you. You've gotten a flip video camera or a Kodak ZI-8, or you went out and invested, and you're ready to begin your video ministry. Or you're ready to begin using video to sell a product. My heart really goes out to those of you who are ready with your video ministry, because the heart of Firebrand Ministry is using video, 8-minute clips, and being able to talk to people. So let's focus on video ministry. The key number one is to speak to one. You're speaking to that ideal person that you're trying to reach. Let's say you're speaking on how to get over addictions. So you're speaking to the one person, maybe you know them, who's struggling right now. If everyone's friend is nobody's friend, everyone's audience isn't going to connect to everyone. But if you focus on that one person and talk and like you're talking just to them, it's amazing. That empathy, that authenticity comes out. Sometimes when the camera goes on, we we change. We don't become ourselves. It's very important to have empathy, to be real, to be authentic in your videos. So focus on the one. The next thing is real basic, and that's breathe. When you get nervous, I don't know about you, but when I get nervous, my voice goes real high, and I can't breathe. In fact, I'll never forget the first time I was on a radio. I used to speak on the radio. My very first day, decades ago, I got to the point that was my first day on the radio, and I forgot to breathe. And you could, you could hear me gasping for breath as I was giving the weather or something. So it's real basic. Don't want to make fun of it. So breathe. Another good thing to do, one of my mentors teaches me, is to put your hand on your heart and breathe, and then focus on the one you love the most. Not to sound corny or anything, but breathe and look into that camera and focus and talk to them like you're talking to your best friend, keeping in mind of your target, but you're talking to your ideal person that you want to get benefit from your gift, from your ministry. And then finally, keep it brief. Remember, someone's going to be watching their video, and in the first 10, 15 minutes, or seconds, they're going to decide whether or not they want to keep listening or not. So you got to right away let them know what's in it for them. Tell stories, share. Great examples with Bible stories, and if anything, you could keep it in, if you're looking for little spots, keep them in 30-second spots as promos for your videos. And then when you do your ministry marketing videos and you maybe have a lesson from the Word of God, go ahead and shoot it. But we at Firebrand Ministry, we like to break it up into 8-minute segments. Even that's considered long. But we break it up so someone could sit down and get at least 8 minutes of nuggets of help from the Word of God. And because sometimes people aren't going to sit down for a 15-minute video or whatever you have, so keep that in mind. I love to be able to help people as they harness the power of the internet for preaching, yes, for promotion and profits. And I really believe we're coming in an age today where the impact that Christians are going to have is going to be online. As Patricia King of XP Media says, we are God's media army. I know you are ready to be a part of that with your video ministry. Now, if you like this information, I got more like it.